Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer XRP from crypto.com to Revolut. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you will be able to see similar screen. You have to click on this crypto wallet and then this list of cryptocurrency will appear. From here, you have to click on this Ripple or XRP. Then on the screen you have to click on this transfer button, and from this pop-up window you have to click on withdraw, and then another pop-up window will open up. From here you have to click on external wallet, and after that on the screen you have to click on this button add wallet address, and then from this list of cryptocurrencies you have to select Ripple or XRP. Then you just have to paste the wallet address in this area. So just open up your Revolut app and then click on crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. After that on the screen you have to click on this receive button, and then you can simply search for your cryptocurrency or XRP in this search bar and select the XRP from this search results. Then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button and then simply paste your wallet address in this area and then enter your wallet name. And if they have provided some tag for your wallet address, you can paste tag in this area. Or if they doesn't provide this tag, you can click on this checkbox, no tag required for my wallet, and then click on continue, and it might show you the screen. Click on yes, I trust this address, and then enter your passcode, and then your wallet address will be added here. You just have to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address, and then this might show you the screen. Click on confirm and withdraw. Lastly, enter the amount in your local currency or your cryptocurrency, how much you want to transfer, and then click on withdraw. And lastly, just confirm these details. Make sure wallet address and the network type is same in both of your applications. And once you do that, click on confirm and then enter your passcode. And once you do that, your XRP will be transferred from crypto.com to your Revolut. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.